Hey there, travel enthusiasts!
Welcome back to our channel. If you are planning your next road trip, camping adventure or beach outing, having the perfect cooler is a must-have. In today's video, we are diving into the 7 best travel coolers that will keep your food fresh and drinks icy cold. From compact options to large capacity coolers, we have got something for every need.
So stay tuned and don't miss out on finding the ideal travel cooler for your next adventure.
At the first position of our list, we have Titan by Arctic Zone storage space. An durable build is essential. This cooler provides exceptional storage option with its spacious interior, allowing you to pack plenty of food and drinks for your trip. The robust construction ensures it can withstand the rises of travel, making it a reliable companion on any journey. The cooler's exterior is made from high-quality materials that resist dents and scratches, ensuring it remains in top condition for years. Its insulated walls provide excellent temperature retention, keeping your items cold for extended periods. The lead features a secure latch system, preventing any accidental spills or leaks. Inside, the cooler is designed for maximum efficiency. It has a removable divider that helps organize your items, preventing them from getting jumbled together. The built-in drain plug makes it easy to remove melted ice without having to tip the entire cooler. This combination of features makes it perfect for road trips, camping, or even a day at the beach. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Retro-chic cooler. This cooler offers both style and functionality. Its vintage design is reminiscent of the coolers from decades past, but it doesn't skimp on modern cooling technology. This cooler is perfect for those who want to make a statement while keeping their food and drinks perfectly chilled. The cooler's exterior is crafted from durable, rust-resistant materials, ensuring it remains in pristine condition. Its sturdy handles make it easy to carry even when fully loaded. The cooler's insulation is top-notch, providing excellent temperature retention for extended periods. This means your drinks will stay cold and your food will remain fresh for hours on end.
Inside the cooler is spacious and well organized.
It features a removable tray that allows you to separate your items, preventing them from getting crushed. The lid is equipped with a secure latch system that keeps the contents safe and prevents any leaks. Whether you are heading to a picnic or a tailgate party, this retro-chic cooler is sure to impress. Coming in at number 3 is the Coleman rolling cooler. This cooler is a favorite among travelers due to its portability and impressive cooling capabilities. This cooler is designed with convenience in mind, making it an excellent choice for those on the go. Its large wheels and telescoping handle makes it easy to transport even across rough terrain. The cooler's exterior is built to last with a durable shell that can withstand bumps and scrapes. The insulation is highly effective, ensuring your items stay cold for up to 5 days. This makes it ideal for longer trips where access to ice might be limited. The lead features cup holders, adding an extra layer of convenience when you are out and about. Inside, the Coleman rolling cooler offers ample storage space. It has a capacity of up to 50 quarts, allowing you to pack plenty of food and drinks. The built-in drain makes it easy to remove melted ice without creating a mess. With its combination of portability, durability, and cooling performance, this cooler is a must-have for any traveler. Next up at number 4, we have Igloo Polar Cooler. This product is known for its exceptional cooling performance and rugged design. This cooler is built to handle the toughest conditions, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. Its thick insulation ensures that your items stay cold for days even in hot weather. The cooler's exterior is made from high-density polyethylene, which is resistant to impacts and UV damage. This means it can withstand the elements without showing signs of wear and tear. The reinforced handles make it easy to carry even when fully loaded. The cooler's lead features a secure latch system that prevents any leaks or spills.
Inside, the Igloo Polar Cooler offers plenty of storage space.
It has a capacity of up to 120 quarts, making it one of the largest coolers on our list. The cooler's interior is designed for maximum efficiency with a removable divider that helps organize your item. The built-in drain makes it easy to remove melted ice without having to tip the cooler. Whether you are going on a long camping trip or hosting a backyard barbecue, this cooler has got you covered. The number 5 position is held by Igloo BMX 25 Quart Cooler. This cooler is a compact and durable option that doesn't compromise on performance. This cooler is designed with cool riser technology, which elevates it off the ground to improve cooling efficiency. This ensures that your items stay cold for longer, even in hot weather. The cooler's exterior is constructed from heavy-duty materials that resist impacts and scratches. The reinforced base adds extra stability, making it perfect for rugged outdoor adventures. The cooler's handles are made from stainless steel, providing a secure and comfortable grip. Inside, the Igloo BMX cooler offers 25 quarts of storage space The compact size makes it easy to transport while still providing enough room for your essentials. The cooler's insulation is highly effective, ensuring that your items stay cold for up to 4 days. The built-in drain makes it easy to remove melted ice without creating a mess. With its combination of durability, portability, and cooling performance, this cooler is a great choice for any traveler. Next up at number 6, we have Pelican Elite 30 Quart Cooler. This cooler is known for its exceptional durability and cooling performance. This cooler is built to withstand the toughest conditions, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. Its thick insulation ensures that your items stay cold for days even in hot weather. The cooler's exterior is made from high-density polyethylene, which is resistant to impacts and UV damage. This means it can withstand the elements without showing signs of wear and tear. The reinforced handles make it easy to carry even when fully loaded. The cooler's lead features a secure latch system that prevents any leaks or spills.
Inside, the Pelican Elite cooler offers 30 quarts of storage space.
The cooler's interior is designed for maximum efficiency with a removable divider that helps organize your items. The built-in drain makes it easy to remove melted ice without having to tip the cooler. Whether you are going on a long camping trip or hosting a backyard barbecue, this cooler has got you covered. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have the YETI Tundra 45. This product is one of the most popular coolers on the market, and for good reason. This cooler is designed to provide exceptional cooling performance and durability, making it perfect for any adventure. Its thick insulation ensures that your items stay cold for days even in hot weather. The cooler's exterior is made from high-quality materials that resist impacts and UV damage. The reinforced handles make it easy to carry even when fully loaded. The cooler's lid features a secure latch system that prevents any leaks or spills. Inside the YETI Tundra 45 offers 45 quarts of storage space, providing plenty of room for your essentials. The cooler's interior is designed for maximum efficiency with a removable divider that helps organize your items. The built-in drain makes it easy to remove melted ice without having to tip the cooler. With its combination of durability, portability, and cooling performance, the YETI Tundra 45 is a must-have for any traveler. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel gear reviews and tips. Let us know in the comments which cooler you are excited to try out.
And as always, happy travels and see you in the next video.